Hi, I'm Chip with Spraymaster Technologies. We're going to show you how to use the 600W Kennel system to clean kennel. It's pretty simple. The first thing you want to see about the system is it has an on and off switch. You switch this way, it turns it on. You're going to have a choice between two chemicals. Typically in a kennel you're using a soap and maybe a disinfectant for the second chemical. So you're going to want to turn the chemical on. In our instruction manuals it shows how to use or how to set the dilution ratio for the chemical that you're using. If you have questions on that, you can give us a call. But what you'll do is select the chemical that you want to use. Typically it's going to be a soap or a degreaser for the kennels. Turn the system on. The gun has a high and low pressure. If I have the gun pushed forward, I get a low pressure. Use low pressure to apply the chemical. Whenever the gun is on low pressure and I've selected this chemical, it's going to draw the chemical in, dilute it for me, and distribute it out the gun. When I switch the gun to high pressure, it automatically shuts off the chemical flow. So I don't have to keep going back and forth to the machine to switch from soap to rinse. So what you'll do is you'll go to the kennels and you'll put it on low pressure. You've selected the chemical. Now you're going to lay your chemical out with low pressure. Start from the top of the kennel and work your way down. That way the degreaser is laid out all over the kennel. You go from kennel to kennel to kennel. Do them all one bank at a time. That way the chemical has contact time to do the job that it needs to do for emulsifying the grease and the dirts. When you're ready to start rinsing, go back to the kennel that you started with. You're going to select the high pressure, and that's going to shut off the chemical flow. So I can start at the top of the kennel and work my way down. And of course you can even do the door with it closed. Taking time to make sure you clean the run. One thing I do want to point out is before you clean a kennel with the SMT system, make sure you're scooping up all the solids and getting rid of the waste. You don't want to be spraying fecal matter inside a kennel. If you want to switch to a disinfectant at that time, turn that disinfectant on, switch back to low pressure, and apply the disinfectant, covering the run. Now all disinfectants have a contact time. Typically it's 10 minutes contact time to kill all the organisms that it does. So be sure and give it its contact time. Some disinfectants require rinsing, some do not. So be sure and look at the instructions on your chemical. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Our number is 800-548-3373. Thank you.